In this video, I will tell you how to buy Bitcoin on your PayPal account. So first, what you need to do is open the PayPal app and make sure you are on the home screen with the home icon highlighted. Next, look at the top menu for crypto on the right side. If you do not see it, tap the three lines in the top left to open the menu. Then scroll to Manage Finances and choose Crypto to reach the Crypto Hub. After that, you will land on the Buy and Sell page. Scroll to view what you already hold, and below that explore coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Now tap the crypto you want to purchase to open its page with the price chart, any balance you hold, and the current value. Then tap Buy at the bottom left. You can start with as little as $1. Enter your amount and tap Next. After that, choose a payment method. You can use PayPal Balance, a saved card or bank, or link a new card or bank. Select the option you prefer. Next, review the order summary. Note the transaction fee, which depends on your purchase size. Finally, tap Buy now to confirm. Your Bitcoin will be added to your PayPal crypto section. That's how you buy Bitcoin on your PayPal account. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.